Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. So Dgca has put the form fill up date for 2021 and some of you are prepared and some of you are not. So don't worry, as in this video we will explain how you can clear your model exam by not repeating the previous mistakes. So watch this video till end. We will also discuss how you can clear any module in short time of 2 weeks. So let's get started. We have already warned you before 10 days about Dgca exam. So those who have subscribed and clicked the bell icon have already started preparation. So you can do same now. Just subscribe. First of all, we will talk about Dgca exam. This year Dgca will try to conduct 3 sessions. So be calm as you will get 3 attempts for this year. Dgca will conduct exam within 10 to 15 days if we consider their last session. So you still got around 20 to 25 days to prepare for session 1 of 2021. This time Dgca have done good work by awareing students 10 days before exam fill up form dates, and that's really positive thing. I hope they will continue this work as we all will get enough time to think about which module we can fill for that session. Talking about session 1 of 2021, the form fill up date is from 10th Feb to 15th Feb 2021 and they will together conduct the basic as well as type rating exam. So basic module exam is for AME students and person who are looking to get basic license, which is BAMEC or previously BAML. The type rating exam is for those who have gained sufficient field experience, done type training on particular aircraft and want to become aircraft maintenance engineer for that aircraft. I cleared this because few students have asked me about it. The fees for basic module is 1500 rupees and for type rated exam is 500 rupees. Also watch this video till end to receive special bonus and a lovely gift. Now let us see mistakes done by AME student as well as field person and solutions to overcome it. Number 1. Fear of failure. When we know that Dgca will soon conduct module exam, we obviously fear it because we are not prepared for it and not planned it. So it's my humble request to all, please don't fear the exam, instead face it. I know it's natural, but still don't get panic as we will provide you good tips to clear in just 2 weeks. Number 2. Multiple modules at a time. Now this thing I have told many times in my video that don't give multiple modules unless you are fully prepared. And I will tell you the reason. One of my friend attempted 4 modules, he cleared 2 and failed in 2. Again he attempted 4 modules, cleared 2 and failed in 2. So he wasted 6,000 rupees. But if he had planned it like 2 and 2, then he could have saved that. I am not saying you will fail, but I am saying it's risky and waste of money as well as time. So you will get 3 attempts in a year, and if you gave 5 modules in 1 year, you can easily clear 10 modules in 2 years, and that's really a good pace. So focus on single or max to max 2 modules at a time and promise yourself that you have to clear it no matter what, and 90% of time you will get positive results. Now I have already made a video on which module you must give, and in 6 to 7 sessions you will clear all your modules. So check out how to prepare any module in just 21 days. Link is in description of this video. Number 3. Lack of knowledge. I have seen many students, instead of focusing on learning and knowledge, they focus on how to clear that module without reading books. There is no shortcut to success, remember this, and it's mandatory to read not only books but other important documents and articles which will make you understand the concept and you will easily clear module. So please read books first and then go for important material, that is short notes and questions, because it will be only effective if you have understood the concept. Number 4. Reading complete books. Yes, this is also a mistake because there are dozens of books for Dgca exam and you might end up with confusion if you read all and complete books. So it's crucial that you read important books, and not only that, from that important books only important chapters. And now question arises, how to know about important books and chapters? Worry not, we have already made a lot of videos on it. Complete link will be provided in community tab so that you will get proper guidance and knowledge. Moving ahead, we have number 5. Only refer questions. This is the worst mistake an unprepared candidate do. They only ask for previous year questions and they somehow want to clear the module. I will ask them, why? what's the rush? Why you want to clear module without understanding it? The modules will not guarantee job. Remember this, because I have friends and students I know who have cleared 11 to 12 modules. Yes, they have cleared their category module as well as other category modules, but they can hardly getting OJT. Because nowadays everyone has an average 5 to 6 modules, so there is less importance of it. But remember, if you have gone through complete process of clearing module, you will easily retrieve and clear your interview. So it's my humble request to all of you, don't rush to clear module but take your time, because clearing module will not make you engineer, but experience, knowledge and module combinedly definitely do it. Number 6. Lack of proper discussion. In many WhatsApp groups for module preparation, I have seen candidates are just asking for materials and questions, and only few candidates discuss the topic. So I request you all to read books, and if you have any doubt about the topic or even chapter, then ask in group. And those candidates who thinks just knowing correct answer of question is sufficient to clear module, then let me tell you one thing, it's wrong thinking and you must change it. So read books, topics and discuss it in group. Also, if you are solving questions, then send complete paragraph as a reference and read it, because it's very important to read such paragraph as new questions comes from there. Number 7. Overconfidence and underconfidence. Now there are always 3 types of candidates. Underconfident, those candidates who lacks the motivation and will always have failing mindset. So please overcome it and keep the positive set of mind. Then comes the confident one, the perfect candidate who study book, discuss doubts and revise regularly. Will be confident, and I can say will 95% of the time clear that module. Then comes overconfidence. It's good to have confidence and positive mindset toward your goal, but you must not think that you will easily clear it because you have good material and Dgca exam is easy. All these things are sign of overconfidence. So please be confident and study properly. Finally, number 8. Ask and answer from other candidates during examination. This thing is really bad because it will either make you clear your module or you will fail. So there is no definite outcome, because asking answer for questions you don't know will not going to help you, as 2 bad things will happen here. The first thing is, if you clear, you will make it the habit to ask in exam and you will become overconfident and ignorant towards study. Second thing, if you failed, you will blame others that you failed because that person gave you wrong answer. So both the things are negative. So instead of asking, prepare yourself so you don't have to lay your hands in front of others and also blame others. That was all the mistake I think some people do. Not all together, but many of them, and that's why they fail. See, it's alright if you failed after complete preparation, because you will clear it in next session, as you will self-analyze your mistake and never repeat that again. But if you failed without preparation, you will never able to correct it. So please prepare for your module examination and save valuable hard-earned money of your parents, and also save time. That was all for today, and in part 2 of this video we will provide you helpful tips and tricks to clear any module in 2 weeks. And if you are still watching, then here is your bonus. Already in last session we have made a giveaway of valuable 1500 rupees, and this time also I will do it. So to participate in it, make sure you follow all the giveaway tasks, which are as follows. First, subscribe our YouTube channel, both this and Hindi one. Follow us on Instagram and put our post on your story and tag 5 friends in our comment section of that post. Then follow us on Twitter, like our Facebook page and join our international Facebook group. Then follow us on LinkedIn and join our group to get job updates. The link to participate in giveaway is in description, and this was all. Share our video, and if we got 400 plus likes and 2000 plus views before next part, then that amount will be yours and it will be distributed among 3 winners. So yes, you will have 3 winners. So participate in it. The winner will be announced in part 2 of this video. So stay tuned and subscribe now. Finally, thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, prepare for module, think twice before filling form, and keep learning, keep watching, stay safe.